Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Sakitech 360. Today I am going to tell you about how to create a YouTube channel banner. So first we need to open Google and search the canva.com and click their first link. You can see there. Click on that and there you can search YouTube channel art and you can select the templates which you like there. As you can see, so many templates are there which you need. You can select for your purpose content like gaming, music, dance related to that. You can select any template here. So I am not selecting anything, I am just creating a blank, and if you want blank, click the plus symbol and here you can see a blank template, and there you can again have here options if you need again. I know I don't want to add any template, that's why I am adding a background color. See, like this you can take and you can make changes there. And now I took green color here. Again, if you want this, you can change at the last. And here we can add our text. I am adding Socket Gaming. Add a subheading. Can also add there. Need text. And in add a subheading, I am taking it as every Sunday, like that I am making. And after that we can take symbols by selecting the elements app there. You can see and here you can select many symbols are here, and I am selecting gaming. You can see game symbols there. I am selecting first one. If you like music symbols or anything, I want gaming, that's why I am selecting the first. You can change color. At the corner you can see black color on the upside of the slide. See, there you can change color, but I'm selecting black. And if you want another, you can add another there. Doing like that can make like this a beautiful YouTube channel banner here. You can add here photos by clicking upload there, and many symbols are there here. You can select any symbol and add there as your thing. And here you can see upload symbol. There you can click and select any photo. I am selecting photo here, and we can add. It is loading. And see, I added here photo, and you can crop it and place it where you want, like I am doing. I cropped and I placed in the middle of the text. Like this we can make our banner beautifully. can change the background color like this. In the elements again, if you want anything, you can select and keep there. And now my banner is completed and I changed the color. Almost it is finished, and here we should download the image. Up you can see there you should click and click on the download. It will be downloaded to your computer. After that you can view it as I am showing you, and it is so nice. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be back with another video. See you later. Bye bye.